In this video, I will cover the top 3 uses of basil essential oil. Number 1 use of basil is for ear discomfort. I have 3 boys and a little girl, and I have years of experience with kiddos and have had several occasions where my kids wake up in the middle of the night crying and holding on to their ears. It's not fun seeing your kids not feeling well. But I'm so thankful that I have natural solutions for my family. I use basil and lavender with some grapefruit, and I put a drop on a cotton ball, or you can even just take that oil and rub that on their earlobes, or even create a roller bottle with the essential oils in them, and that way you can just roll the essential oils on their ear. I do this a few times throughout the day and then repeat the process for a few days. Basil is a wonderful oil to naturally boost your immune system. And the number 2 way to use basil essential oil is for bug bites or stings. Basil is cooling and soothing to the skin. Just simply add a drop to the bug bite or sting and just keep on applying every 20 to 30 minutes. Again, you can create a roller bottle with it and then just apply that essential oil to that bug bite and rub that in. If you have sensitive skin, you will want to dilute with a carrier oil. That's why I really love making roller bottles. That way you can put 10 drops of that essential oil and then fill the rest with fractionated coconut oil. doTERRA has fractionated coconut oil, or you can use any type of carrier oil. Basil essential oil can be used aromatically, topically, and internally. And when I talk about ingesting essential oils, I'm only talking about doTERRA brand, because I know that doTERRA brand is certified, tested, grade, and because of that, I know that their oils are the best quality essential oils and have no contaminants, no fillers, or anything that is going to be harmful to our bodies. I would not suggest ingesting other essential oil brands in the market. If you're finding value to this video, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up. And if you are loving this content and want to learn more about essential oils, consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell to be notified every time I upload a brand new video. The number 3 way that I like to use basil essential oil is to support anxious feelings. The aroma of basil is calming and soothing. This is one that is great to apply topically or aromatically using a diffuser, or just simply applying a drop into the palm of your hand and then rubbing your hands together and cupping that over your nose and taking some deep breaths. It's really great. Before we end, I wanted to share a diffuser recipe using basil essential oil with you. This one is called Afternoon Tea, and you'll just add 3 drops of lime, 2 drops of ginger, and a drop of basil into your diffuser. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy oiling, and see you on the next one. Bye.